So there's bowling, pool, video games, and just an area to chill and hang out with your friends.
It's more like a stress buster, so it's absolutely a good place.
A lot of kids like to go bowling.
Bowling, as you can see behind me.
I love bowling and also the Wii game and the video games.
My favorite part is probably the people who work here and the people who come in. It's just a fun group of people who are always here. Everything's free for students, so you definitely could try it all and see what you like.